Howdy, my name is Aiden and I'm a psychology major here at Texas A&M University. You might be wondering how Miss Morris's audiovisual class can even give you a step ahead when you could be taking other things for college. Let me tell you, it is instrumental in your college career. From your first semester chemistry class, you're making video projects in almost every other class after that. And let me tell you, kids really don't know how to edit. That already gives you the upper hand. On top of that, you're even able to find job opportunities, like me working in marketing and communications as a psych major. Miss Morris's class is instrumental in your college career, and I hope you realize that too.
Thanks, Aiden. Do you want to learn a fun, lifelong skill? You watch videos on social media almost hourly. Why not learn the ins and outs to help you in life and school? Come learn Adobe software for video editing and special effects, or take the commercial photography class and learn Adobe Photoshop, as well as the secrets of taking award-winning photos and videos. Sign up today.